Hi everyone! Today we're diving into the mysterious world of hiccups. What causes them, why they happen, and the wild remedies people swear by. So grab a drink, sit tight, and uncover the science behind this quirky phenomenon. Before we start, we hope you'll push the like button, subscribe for more weekly videos, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future content. First things first, let's talk about what hiccups are. Hiccups, or singultus as they're scientifically known, are involuntary contractions of the diaphragm. Now, the diaphragm is a dome-shaped muscle located just below your lungs. It plays a crucial role in breathing by contracting and relaxing to help you inhale and exhale. When you hiccup, that diaphragm suddenly contracts, pulling air into your lungs. But here's the twist. Your vocal cords snap shut at the same time. That's what creates that iconic hic sound we all know. But why does this happen? Well, hiccups are typically your body's way of responding to irritation or stimulation in the diaphragm or the nerves that control it. These can be caused by a variety of factors, which we'll discuss shortly. Interestingly, hiccups also involve the brain. The phrenic nerves, which control the diaphragm, are influenced by the brain's signals. This connection can explain why hiccups sometimes occur during emotional moments, like laughter or stress, when the body is in a heightened state. So, next time you experience hiccups, remember it's not just a silly sound. It's your body's way of communicating something is a little off. Now, let's explore what might be causing those annoying contractions. There are many triggers for hiccups. Some of the most common include eating too quickly or overeating, drinking carbonated beverages, sudden temperature changes, excitement or stress. Each of these can irritate the diaphragm or the nerves controlling it, leading to those pesky hiccups. Here is a fun fact. Did you know that hiccups can last from just a few seconds to several days? The longest recorded case lasted 68 years. Hiccups also tend to be more common in men than in women. Now that we understand hiccups a bit better, let's delve into some popular remedies that can help you kick those hiccups to the curb. Here are a few methods that people swear by. Hold your breath. This classic trick involves taking a deep breath and holding it for as long as you can. The idea is that increasing carbon dioxide in your bloodstream can help reset the diaphragm. Drink a glass of water. Sipping water slowly can also help. Some people find that drinking from the opposite side of the glass, bending forward, can do the trick. Sugar rush. Believe it or not, swallowing a teaspoon of granulated sugar is another popular remedy. The grainy texture can stimulate the vagus nerve, which might help calm the diaphragm. Scare tactics. Sometimes a sudden surprise or scare can help stop hiccups in their tracks. Whether it's a playful scare from a friend or watching a jump scare video, this method can work by distracting your body. Breathing techniques. Another effective method is to breathe into a paper bag. This increases carbon dioxide levels in your blood, which may help reset the diaphragm. Just make sure not to overdo it. Safety first. Vinegar or lemon juice. A sip of vinegar or a squeeze of lemon juice can shock your system a bit and interrupt the hiccup cycle. Just be prepared for a sour surprise. Peanut butter. Finally, some people find that swallowing a spoonful of peanut butter can help. The sticky texture forces you to focus on chewing and swallowing, which can interrupt the hiccup reflex. Remember, everyone's body is different. So what works for one person might not work for another. It can be fun to experiment with these remedies to find your ultimate hiccup solution. So there you have it. Hiccups may be annoying, but they're a fascinating part of our biology. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun facts and science topics. Have any hiccup remedies that work for you? Or want us to discuss any other topic? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.